Hey salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making jerk chicken. Jerk chicken has a lot of history behind it. It's a world famous dish in UK, US as well as in Jamaica. I'm gonna serve over jerk chicken with rice and peas, plantain as well as some of the jerk sauce. It's gonna be amazing. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with our jerk marinade. With the onion, red spring onion is more stronger than the normal one. It will add more flavor. Fresh garlic, ginger, fresh is always the best. Fresh turmeric, scotch bonnet peppers. Use more if you like more heat. Pimento or allspice seeds. It's best if you toast them. Throw in some of this fresh thyme, a bit of this nutmeg for some earthy flavor. With the brown sugar, or you can use manuka honey. And with the salt, some of this browning sauce, or you can substitute it with soy sauce. Vinegar, water or stock. Finish this off with a good touch of oil. Now cover and blend this until nice and smooth. It looks amazing. I'm just gonna have a little taste. Perfect. I'm using a whole chicken here. If you want, you can use legs, thighs, etc. Now you want to spatchcock the chicken. Normally you would remove the backbone, but I'm just gonna leave it there. Turn the chicken around and press the breast down. Add a good touch of salt on there. Some of this fresh pepper. Now you want to apply some of this jerk seasoning. Give that a tap. Make sure to season from other side as well. Just massage that. Now you want to let this dry brine in the fridge for a few hours. Trust me, this will add a lot of flavor. Once your chicken has dry brine, add it into this bowl. Add the marinade onto your chicken. And wash your hands and give this a really good mix. Feel free to use gloves. Add some of the marinade under the skin as well. Now you want to let this marinate for a minimum of 3 hours or overnight for best results. Grab your roasting tray and place the chicken there. Leftover marinade goes on the top. Light touch of the pepper on there. Add some water so we can catch all the juices which we're gonna use for our sauce. Finally, a touch of oil on the top. Alright, now this goes in a preheated oven at 230 Celsius for around 10 minutes. And then we're gonna drop the temperature to around 200 Celsius. I'm gonna let this cook for around 50 to 60 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 75 Celsius. For our rice and peas, you want to thinly slice some of this onion, fresh garlic, and roughly chop some of this spring onion. Now to cook our rice and peas, turn up the heat around medium with a good touch of oil. When the oil is nice and hot in with your onions, you want to saute the onions and get a nice color on them. If anything starts to burn, use a touch of water. Now with your garlic, touch of water. Cook the rawness of the garlic as well. And with your spring onions, some of the scotch bonnet pepper. Cook this for another minute or so. It smells amazing, trust me. Deglaze and add some of this stock. Throw in some of this fresh thyme. We're gonna season this with allspice, good touch of the black pepper, salt. Mix and bring this to simmer. Now with your red kidney beans, also throw the juices from the kidney beans. It's got a lot of flavor. Perfect time to add our coconut milk. You want to mix and bring this to simmer again. Now when it starts to simmer, we're gonna throw in our rice. Rice that were washed and soaked. Give this a mix and let it cook until there is some water left. Now you want to turn the heat to low. Place a clean kitchen cloth on the top. Place your lid and you want to let this steam up for around 13 to 15 minutes on low heat. Alright guys, let's check our rice. Bismillah. They look amazing. I'm just gonna add some of the butter. Just gonna fluff them up a little. You can get rid of this thyme. I'm just gonna have a little taste. Bismillah. Wow. Throw in some of the fresh thyme on the top. It's a beautiful aroma of a beautiful rice and peas. Done. After 35 minutes or so, you want to remove the juices from the chicken. Make sure to baste the chicken as well with some of the juices. The chicken goes back in the oven. For the sauce, add in the leftover juices, some of our marinade, touch of this lemon, some of this water, or you can use stock. Reduce this on low-medium heat. You can mix in some of the corn flour to thicken the sauce. Let this cook for another minute. Now turn off the heat and mix in some butter. Our beautiful jerk sauce. Done. Looks amazing. Have a little taste. For the plantain, you want to remove the skin. Get a plantain that's a bit ripe. It will taste amazing. Now cut the plantain into long thick slices, but not too thick. Plantain goes into the hot oil. You want to fry them until they have a nice golden brown color. Make sure to turn them a few times so we have a nice color on both sides. Alright, once they have a nice beautiful golden brown color, I'm going to start removing them. You want to drain on kitchen paper. Alright guys, our jerk chicken is done. It looks amazing. Serving our jerk chicken with a bit of this corn on the cob. You can either grill or roast it. Alright guys, let's plate this up. Carefully place your chicken, your beef or plantain, some of this coleslaw, and your rice and peas. Add in your jerk sauce. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try the plantain first. Nice and sweet. Alright, let's try this. Bismillah. The rice is so delicious and they go perfectly with those kidney beans. Just have a look at that chicken. Alright, I'm gonna try the rice with a bit of the chicken. Bismillah. Wow, the chicken flavor is so nice and it's nice and juicy. Cooked at perfect temperature. Bismillah. Trust me, this is one of the best jerk chicken ever. The jerk chicken was amazing and those rice and peas, come on. You guys gonna really enjoy it. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.